सद्याक जे कोलकाता इन्सिडंट घडलो म्हणजे एक डॉक्टर जी आमी डॉक्टर सेवा ही ईश्वर सेवा म्हणटा त्या डॉक्टरा बरोबर खंय तरी एक 36 वरांची ती थंय काम करता आणि थकून जेन्ना ती एक आपूण रेस्ट घेवपा येता तेन्ना तिचे बरोबर इतल्या वायट तरेन थंय रेप आनी तिचो मर्डर जाता की खंय तरी तिचो पेल्वीक बोन खंय तरी तुटता, तिच्या दोळ्यांतल्यान नाकांतल्यान रगत येता. अशा वायट तरेन जेन्ना खंय तरी अशी घटना घडटा तेन्ना प्रत्येक चलयेच्या तेच्या रिस्पेक्टा खातीर तिच्या एक ती लज जी आसा ती खंय तरी तांकां फुडें दिसता की जेन्ना आमी खंय तरी भायर वता तेन्ना तेंचे खातीर खंय तरी एक इनसिक्युरिटी म्हणटा ती खंय तरी निर्माण जाता की हें ना की लोकांच्या भितर सगळ्यांच्या मनान तें हें आसता वायट विचार आसता पूण खंय तरी जेन्ना एक चली भायर सरता तेन्ना एक ते सेक्युरिटी आनी ती एक तेचे मदीं विश्वास उरपा जाय की बाबा आपूण भायर जेन्ना वता तेन्ना आपल्या बरोबर कांयच हें जावचें ना. तेजे खातीर चलयांच्या सेक्युरिटी खातीर आनी हे जे अशे क्रायम जे भारतभर चालू आसा जेन्ना आमी भारताचो इंडिपेंडन्स आतां आमी मनयलो पूण जेन्ना चलयांची फ्रिडम चलयांची सेक्युरिटी जर भारतान ना तेन्ना खंयच्या एजीन आमी हो इंडिपेंडन्स डे हे मानप. जेन्ना आमी स्वच्छ भारताचो मिशन घेतलो तो बरे भशेन आमी फुडें व्हेलो तशेंच ही जी चलयांची सेक्युरिटी जो विशय आसा तो आमी सरकारा कडेन मागता की तांणी तो विशय मेन घेवचो आनी तेंची ती चलयांची जी सेक्युरिटी आसा ती तेमी दिवची. कारण फक्त भारतान न्ही प्रत्येक म्हणजे गोंयान आतां रिसेंटली एक केस जाली अशे प्रत्येक हेचेर सराचेर रेपाच्यो मर्डराच्यो केसी चालू जाला. ह्यो खंय तरी थांबपाची गरज आसा. जेन्ना ज्या जाग्यार आमी लिटरसी रेट म्हणटा की लिटरसी रेट इंडियाची आमी वाडटा पूण खंय तरी रेपय केस ज्यो आसा त्यो खंय तरी भारतान डब्बलीन जाता त्यो खंय तरी थांबपाची गरज आसा. आनी युवा म्हणटा तो फुडल्या आमच्या देशाचो फ्युचर तेन्ना आमी मागता की सरकारान हेजेर विचार करचो आनी एक लॉ एमेंड करचो की जे अशे वायट कृत्य घडटा तेंचे बरोबर कठीणची कठीण शिक्षा तेंचेर जावची आनी अशे जे कृत्य जाता ती थांबोवपा खातीर सरकारान इनिशिएटीव घेवचो अशी आमी ह्या रॅलींतल्यान तुमचे सरकारा कडेन आनी सगळ्यां कडेन मागणी करता.
आणि अशें बी आतां आमी पयरच कालच रक्षाबंधन सेलिब्रेट केला. जेन्ना आमी रक्षाबंधन सेलिब्रेट करता तेन्ना भयण आपल्या भावा खातीर राखी बांदता आनी म्हणटा आपल्या रक्षा करतलो. जेन्ना आमी आपल्या भयणी बरोबर अशें करून कितें वायट चिंतपाक शकना जाल्यार इट इज आवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की दुसऱ्या भयणीकय आमी बरे नजरेन पळोवपाक जाय. आनी जेन्ना आमी रक्षाबंधनाक राखी बांदून घेता तेन्ना आमी एक कमिटमेंट करपाक की राखी फक्त आपूण आपल्या भयणी रक्षा करपाना बट प्रत्येक मनीस जी चलता ते आपली भयण अशें करून मानून तिजे रक्षा करपाक जाय. समज कोणी पळयता कोणी चेडो जावं कोणी बी उरो तो एक चल भुरगे कितें करपाक सोदता लायक बॅड इंटेंशन आसा आमी एज सोसायटी आमी आवाज उबारपा जाय. तूं कितें करता विचारपा जाय डायरेक्ट तोंडार विचारपा जाय तूं कितें करता. तेच जेन्ना आमी असली करपाक लागतले तेन्ना असली केसीस आसा ती कमी जातली. आनी हांव सगळ्या लागीं रिक्वेस्ट करता जे आज लोक रॅली येयलाय तुमगे सगळ्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आसी जे केन्नाय तुमकां दिसता कितें वायट घडटा तेन्ना डायरेक्ट विचारा तूं कितें करता काय कोणा भिवपा गरज ना. श्रेयस राणे.
My name is Swana. As we all realize that we take a assembly, we take a pledge every day. In schools we have the pledge every day. In that we say, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. If you see someone is doing something wrong, may it be with a woman, a man, if you see that's wrong and you feel that's wrong, you have all the rights to ask them, why are you doing this? And if they are not listening to you, you can report it. As we realize that there are countries which have a lower population rate than India, but their rate of rapes and other crimes are higher. Why is that? Because in India people are scared to report the rapes itself. We need to change this because if something wrong is happening with you, you have all the rights to seek justice. Justice is a normal right for every human, not just women, not just men, for everybody.
Men should be scared that if something they do some wrong towards women, की तेमच्या बरोबर कितें जातलें. एक डर एक सिस्टमान एक अशें अमेंडमेंट एक एक्ट काडपाक जाय की डर जावपाक जाय क्रिमिनलच्या मायंडान की बाबा आमी अशें केलें आमच्या बरोबर अशें जातलें. आतां एरब कंट्रीजान आसा तुमी पळयलां आसतलें कितले स्ट्रिंजंट पनिशमेंट आसा ते रेपा अगेन्स्ट. पूण आमच्या कंट्रीन खंय ना खंय रिफॉर्मेशन जातली ते सुदरतले तांकां जेलीन घालया ते सारकें जातलें. ही सिस्टम चलून क्रिमिनलांक कितें दिसता काय जावचें ना आमचे बरोबर, आमी अशेच फ्री जातले, सिस्टम आमचे बरोबर आसा म्हण. हे नॅरेटिव्ह बदलपाक जाय. 78 years ऑफ इंडिपेंडन्स केले आनी बेश्टे कितें आसा, वी डोंट वॉन्ट वर्ड्स, वी वॉन्ट एक्शन्स. दी प्रॉब्लेम इज एक्शन सारकें ना. उतरां आसा, उतरां उलयतले हे जातले. The thing is, system has to change. System has to be stringent and system has to be woman friendly. आता बायले जर गेल्यो, बायलांक पयलींच भंय दिसता थंय दादले आसतले. Men will support men only. This is the narrative. आता आमच्या बरोबर आमचे भाव आसा, तेमी आता म्हणल्यार रक्षाबंधनान तुजी आवय, तुजी भयण, तुजी बायल, तुजे फ्रेंड तेमचे चिंतप नासता. यू हॅव टू थिंक एज अ सोसायटी, एज अ होल सोसायटी, होल इंडियान आपली सोच बदलपाक जाय की बायलांक बरोबर कितें जाल्यार आमी आवाज काडपाक जाय. बायलो एकटे आसा, लोक कितें करतले, पयलीं फोन काडटले, रेकॉर्डिंग करतले, पूण लोक आवाज हे करचो ना. आपलो आवाज बुलंद केलो जाल्यार बायल मनशाक मातसो साहस येता की बाबा आपल्या फाटल्यान लोक उबे आसा म्हूण आपूण आमचो आवाज वयर करतले. बायलो फाटल्यान we don't have support of men. Basically, women are suffering more because men community stands with the men. Many cases, men doesn't stand with women, and many women, because of education or because of mindset, they do not stand with women themselves. आता हे नॅरेटिव्ह आसा तेमी म्हणले की कपडे असले घातले तसले घातले, पूण डॉक्टरान कसले कपडे घातलेले? डॉक्टर आपले कामाच्या जाग्यार असलेले. If we cannot ensure safety at workplace, if we cannot ensure safety in school, then what are we doing as a society? What are we doing as a system? It is a complete failure. Equality नावान आणि उतरांनी दिली म्हण इक्वालिटी जायना. जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनान आमकां हक दिला, हक मान्य करपाक सिस्टम प्लेसीन आसपाक जाय न्ही. आता इतले लोक येयला आपलो टायम जाहीर करून, आपलो पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू दवरपाक. कित्याक ग्रुप येतलो, कित्याक दे कॅन कीप देयर पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू फॉरवर्ड. If many times what happens is when women are alone, they cannot speak up because they're scared. What will society say about me? Here we have a group, and I'm proud to say not only women but men also have come in equal number, and they're standing with the women of this country.
It's time that after 78 years of independence, if a woman is not feeling safe to get out of the house alone, women are not safe at workplace, they are not safe on the roads, they're not safe alone, they're not safe with men also. It has happened that women have been kidnapped and then raped. If women don't feel safe at home, where is a safe place for women? Every place in India should be a safe place for not only women but everybody.
One more thing I would like to highlight is 2012 Nirbhaya happened, and 12 years later now we are again protesting for another brutal attack on our sister. But then look at the statistic, what has happened in between these years. 2021 statistics says that among every 1 lakh women, 28.8 women have faced some kind of sexual crime against them. Another statistic by National Crime Bureau, it says that in the year 2021 there have been 31,677 cases in 1 year itself, which means 86 cases per day. So where are we progressing as a society? It's not that we just come out and protest against one rape case which has happened and demand justice for that one particular case. It is how as a society are we progressing through the years. And one more very worrying thing, a very serious issue is that our conviction rate. It is said to be that from the year 2020 to 2022 our conviction rate has come down. It was 28%, it is 27% now. It was already very low and it has further gone low. So which means that laws are not creating their effects. The laws for which they are meant to be, they are not doing the work. And the conviction is an issue here. Somehow in our judiciary there are loopholes, lawyers are hired, cases are being forged, and corruption is happening, and the victims and the perpetrators are free to do whatever they want. We have seen that rapists have been garlanded in our country. They have been welcomed in their cities as if they have done some thing of national pride. So it's not about we coming out in numbers for one particular case. After 12 years now, in future we might again come out. If these law and order things won't change, I don't think this issue will get solved ever. So the point is, we do not demand only justice for this one particular case. Of course we demand justice, a brutal punishment for the perpetrators of the crime. Even a capital punishment sounds very, very dignified for them. We demand something brutal for those who have perpetrated. But our major demand is the cases, the number of cases, 86 cases per day. We have 24 hours in a day, but the rape cases happening in a day are 86. So this is not a very good sign for a country which is trying to be a superpower in the future. So our main demand is to put control on these type of cases which are having day in, day out. Even now, yesterday in Goa itself, a minor boy has raped a minor girl. Now, this is not only about one-time cases. It is also about what type of content our young generation are consuming through movies, through advertisement, the objectification of women, how women are being portrayed in the advertisements, in the movies, as an object of sex toys. So it won't stop just by one law. It has to be a collective effort from the civil society. The law has to do its own course. The civil society like us, we have gathered here today, we have to continuously and consistently protest and demand a society which is very civic in nature, very decent in nature, which keeps a regulation on what we are consuming, what kind of movies our generations are consuming. So only then we will have something called a civilized society. Only then our women will feel safe, our doctors will feel safe in this country. So this is what we have to work for on a larger scale. Thank you so much. Myself, Usman Khan.
रॅली काढता हांगाच्यान ओल्ड हॉस्पिटल कडेन She wants to speak.
I'd like to add a point. When we say that a woman was raped, we say she must not be in a safe place. But this time she was in a hospital, not even a public place or a, what do we say, call department or anywhere. And recently we had Independence Day. Half of India's population is women. We can say only Happy Independence Day to half of the population. And when we talk to someone online, on social media and other places, they say we don't post this kind of stuff. When you don't stand for others, don't expect other people to stand for you. Thank you.
Your name?
Mariam Hiba.
I have written a poem on what actually independence we want. As a celebrated independence across the nation, but what about our protection? She dreams of being an independent one. Little does she know the society won't let her be one. About freedom she hopes every day, but what about the monsters who see her as their prey? 1,095 days old, 547 days old, have not been spared. She thinks her age will be cared. It makes her think, is there any place safe? For whom too isn't a safe? Questions are used to arise upon a profession and clothing. Clothes are made to wear and every profession is respected, for she. Alas, for demons it won't matter and they will be freely roaming. Independence, what does it really mean? The day she can return late home, dress up herself with any clothes, choose the career of her choice, and when her parents won't have the need to worry about her when she hangs out with her friends, this will be the day what really independence means. Thank you.
न्याय सिर्फ भारतीय नारी के लिए नहीं, पूरे देश के लिए चाहिए। हर उस नारी के लिए जिसको सुरक्षा चाहिए, हर उस भारतीय नारी के लिए हमें सुरक्षा चाहिए। सब कुछ हर किसी नारी को चाहिए।
Okay. Justice for Justice for women rights, human rights.
Okay.
Subscribe Go1 Update social media channel and press bell icon for latest notification.